Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the future of graphic design and exploring the biggest trends that will shape the industry in 2025. We're talking about the stuff that's going to blow your mind, the kind of designs that make you stop scrolling and say, whoa, how did they do that? Get ready to see some seriously cool stuff because we're about to drop some serious design knowledge. We're talking bold colors, abstract shapes, AI-powered tools, and a whole lot more. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, this video is your ticket to the future of design. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this design party started. First up, we have bold designs. And when I say bold, I mean designs so loud they could steal the spotlight from 1,000 screaming fans. We're talking about designs that aren't afraid to break the mold, to push boundaries, and to use color in ways you've never seen before. Imagine neon gradients, oversized typography, and patterns so intricate they could make your head spin. Think about a website you visit that just feels kind of meh. Now imagine that website exploding with color, energy, and attitude. That's the power of bold design. It grabs your attention, it makes a statement, and it doesn't apologize for being awesome. And the best part, this trend is just getting started. As we move into the future, designers are only going to get more daring, more experimental, and more willing to push the limits of what's possible. So if you're ready to ditch the boring and embrace the bold, then stick around because we're about to show you how it's done. Next up, we're diving into the world of abstract art, and trust me, this isn't your grandma's watercolor class. We're talking about shapes, colors, and textures that come together to create something truly unique and mind-bending. Think about those optical illusions that make you question reality for a second. Abstract art can do that too. It can take familiar shapes and twist them, turn them, and combine them in ways you never thought possible. And the best part is, abstract art is open to interpretation. What one person sees in a design, another person might see something completely different. And that's the beauty of it. It sparks conversation, it makes you think, and it adds a touch of mystery to any design. From websites to logos to packaging, abstract art is popping up everywhere. It's a way for brands to stand out, to express their creativity, and to connect with their audience on a deeper level. So if you're ready to unlock your imagination and explore the world of abstract art, then get ready because we're about to take you on a wild ride. Chapter 3. Naturalist Designs. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to step into the great outdoor, well, sort of. We're talking about naturalist designs, the trend that's bringing the beauty of nature to the digital world. Think lush green landscapes, calming blue oceans, and earthy brown textures. Now imagine those elements seamlessly integrated into websites, apps, and even product packaging. That's the power of naturalist design. It's all about creating a sense of peace, tranquility, and connection with the natural world. In a world that's increasingly dominated by technology, naturalist designs offer a much-needed breath of fresh air. And it's not just about aesthetics. Naturalist designs can also promote sustainability, environmental awareness, and a sense of responsibility towards our planet. So if you're ready to escape the concrete jungle and embrace the beauty of nature, then get ready to be inspired by the incredible world of naturalist design. Chapter 4. Cutting-edge AI tools. Get ready to enter the matrix because we're about to explore the world of AI-powered design tools. These aren't just your average design apps, folks. We're talking about sophisticated algorithms that can analyze data, generate creative ideas, and even automate tedious design tasks. Imagine a world where you could create a stunning website layout with just a few clicks or generate hundreds of logo variations in seconds. That's the power of AI in design. It's like having a team of superpowered design assistants working alongside you 24/7. But don't worry, the robots aren't taking over yet. AI tools are here to empower designers, not replace them. They free up time and mental energy so you can focus on what really matters, the creative vision. From generating color palettes to suggesting font pairings to even writing website copy, AI tools are revolutionizing every aspect of the design process. So if you're ready to unlock the power of AI and take your design skills to the next level, then get ready to be amazed by the incredible potential of these cutting-edge tools. Chapter 5. Rethinking Design Norms. Hold on tight because we're about to break all the rules. The future of graphic design is all about challenging the status quo, pushing boundaries and rethinking everything we thought we knew about design. The old rule books are being thrown out the window as designers experiment with new techniques, embrace unconventional aesthetics, and create designs that are as unique as a fingerprint. We're talking about designs that defy categorization, that blur the lines between digital and physical, and that challenge our perceptions of what design can be. Think interactive experiences that respond to your movements, 3D designs that jump off the screen, and animations so lifelike you'll want to reach out and touch them. The future of design is about more than just making things look pretty. It's about creating experiences that are engaging, thought-provoking, and unforgettable. So if you're ready to break free from the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary, then get ready to witness the revolution that's redefining the world of graphic design. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this wild ride into the future of graphic design. Don't forget to smash that like button if you're feeling as inspired as we are. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome design content. We're constantly exploring the latest trends, tools, and techniques to help you stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, keep designing, keep creating, and keep pushing those creative boundaries. See you in the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of design. See you next time.